Wake up. Our climate is changing in a disastrous way. Icebergs are melting and sea level is increasing rapidly. The level of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere is increasing day by day. Time is going rapidly and humanity can become the reason of its own extinction. So wake up before it's too late.
What is climate change? What are the solutions to solve this problem? How is science and math relevant to climate change? I'm Deandre Rodriguez, grade 4 Sci Math Committee helper, reporting. As the sun's rays reach the Earth's surface, some are absorbed and re-emitted as heat. Greenhouse gases such as water vapor and carbon dioxide absorb and re-radiate some of this heat. Increased amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere mean more heat is trapped, warming the Earth. Human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels, have increased concentrations of atmospheric carbon dioxide by 40%, mainly since 1900. Global average surface temperature has increased by 0.8 degrees Celsius over that time. Other changes to the climate in recent decades can be seen in the warming of the oceans. A rise in sea level, decreasing snow and ice cover in the northern hemisphere, and a decline in sea ice in the Arctic. If emissions continue uncontrolled, then further warming of 2.6 to 4.8 degrees Celsius would be expected by the end of the century. Even at the low end, this would have serious implications for human societies and the natural world. Remember, climate change is very real and is drastically affecting planet Earth, our home. And although we are the problem, we can also be the solution. So how can we personally help solve climate change? 1. Drive an electric or fuel-efficient car instead of a regular car, which can prevent the emission of about 1 ton of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. 2. If we cannot afford e-vehicles, we can walk or use a bike or take public transport to help lower carbon emission. 3. Conserve water and energy. Lesser usage means emitting less carbon pollution, which can help protect the climate. Use LED light bulb for example. 4. Use renewable energy resources such as solar and wind because they don't emit carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases that contribute to global warming. 5. Plant a tree. As trees grow, they help absorb and sink the carbon that would contribute to global heating. 6. Eat less meat or no meat at all. By shifting to vegan diet, the average person can prevent the emission of about 1.5 tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. 7. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Please watch this. And of course, spread your knowledge and concerns about climate change to create and increase awareness to other people and eventually to the world. Climate change is one of the biggest issues that we are facing right now. But did you know that there is actually a lot of mathematics and sciences behind it? Let's start with science. As surface and water temperatures rise, human, animal, and plant life respond. Scientific studies document these responses. Scientists study climate change to understand the factors that can cause the planet to warm or cool using scientific methods. In doing so, science builds a foundation for understanding how our lives are impacted by climate change and what we can do to slow or reverse these changes. In mathematics, is there a formula for climate change? How much warming does carbon dioxide itself contribute to the surface temperature of the Earth? We can calculate all these things using mathematics. By calculating averages, analyzing variance and making diagrams, we can find out whether the climate has changed and how. Predicting future climate requires mathematical modeling with differential equations and stochastic methods. Not only that, mathematicians can use data and modeling to assess the consequences of global warming, and they give us warning. If we cannot protect nature, we cannot protect ourselves. The only way we can solve the problem is by human solution. We cannot wait for miracles to save us, because miracles don't happen. Sweat happens, efforts happen, thoughts happen. Again, this is the Angie Rodriguez urging everyone to help save Mother Earth.